Here's our next interview at the World of Concrete, and this time it's with KStrong, a manufacturer of fall protection. They're going to show us their new software that helps teams manage equipment and the necessary servicing of that gear.
Here we are. This time we're talking with Nick at KStrong, and he's going to show us some special software that they use.
So I come here, I register. This is the welcome page right here. So it'll give you a little instruction. When I go here, if I want to register a new asset, I'm a tool room guy or I'm a foreman in the field. I just received some KStrong product. I received this KStrong Micron SRL. I have a QR code here.
Oh, you can
I have a
scan
barcode.
that.
I have a serial number. So I'm going to say, I got this, I want to register a new asset. So I have my phone, or if they want to use an iPad like we're doing, I'll hit register new asset. It'll come to this page here, register asset. I can do it via QR code, RFID we're going to have moving forward on some larger SRLs. I can just scan the label, or I can manual entry. The manual entry, we have a unique identification that we can do, and that's just a serial number batch number. That's all that is. Okay, very easy. In case they don't have this. So we're going to do, there's a barcode here, we're going to do QR code.
Okay.
Scan. So I go here, I scan the QR code.
Great.
Pops up.
Oh yeah, and it's already populated with all the information because it's got the catalog in here already.
Yeah, correct. So now it gives the user, I would register it. It gives me a pre-use inspection guideline. I have the maintenance history, inspection history, declaration of conformity, so I can show that it's third-party tested. Right? You have it on a site. A general says, hey, how do I know this meets third-party criteria? It's right there. You can email it to them. You can show them. The technical data sheet, when we ship this out, the user manual's with it. Most guys open a box and throw it away. Per OSHA guideline, you should have your user manual with you. Yeah. It's right there in the palm of your hand. So I had registers. I have some of these registered. I'll just show you how this works.
Okay.
So I'm going to go ahead and click on this. So simple green, yellow, red light. When it's green, it's good to go. At about a 5-month mark, you're going to get an email, hey, this product, this essential harness is due for a competent person inspection, and that turns to a yellow light. Red light means it's past due. Email you again, this needs to come in for a competent person inspection. Really easy to do, gives you a guideline, what to look at. This is in case your guy in the field's not sure, we step them right through everything you need.
Wow. Well, thanks for walking us through that,
For sure.
Nick. That's fantastic.
Yeah, pleasure.